Good morning. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology educational content creator. Now content for B.SC Zoology honors, M.SC Zoology and CUET PG and also CSIRNET Life Sciences students. Paper non-coordinates or invertebrate zoology. Unit Nemathelminthes and topic is Ascaris lumbricoides, that is the large roundworm of humans. Introduction. Ascaris, Greek Ascaris mean intestinal worms, is usually selected as a type for study in zoology as well as in experimental work. Thus, it is probable that parasitologists know more about structure, physiology, and biochemistry of Ascaris than of any other of nematodes. This genus includes several species. One of the most common, Megalocephala, is found in the intestine of horses. Next, endemic region. Ascaris lumbricoides is one of the most common nematodes parasites found in humans. Recent surveys have shown a prevalence of up to 25% in some areas of the southeastern United States, and more than 1.27 billion people are infected worldwide. The large roundworm of pigs, Assam, is morphologically close to Ascaris lumbricoides, and they were long considered the same species. A female Ascaris may lay 2 lakhs eggs a day, carried by the host feces. Given suitable soil condition, embryo develop into infective juvenile within 2 weeks. Next, structure of this roundworm. First, external structure and morphology. Body shape. Elongated, cylindrical and tapered at the both ends, yellowish pink to white with minor transverse striations. Body symmetry, bilaterally symmetrical, belonging to the phylum Nematoda, that is Ascaris. Anterior end features a terminal mouth equipped with the 3 small muscular leaves, 1 mid-dorsal, 2 subventral and retroventral, equipped with the teeth and sensory papilla. Next, posterior end. In females, it is straight and pointed. In males, it is curved ventrally and contains a cloacal apparatus with the penial spicles for mating. Female genital opening. The female gonopode, that is vulva, is one of the ventral surface about 1/3 down from the anterior end, that is vulvar waist. Next, body wall structure. Cuticle, a thick, transparent, multi-layered elastic layer secreted by the epidermis. It is resistant to host digestive enzymes, making it durable. Next, epidermis or hypodermis, a thin syncytial layer below the cuticle. Next, muscle layer, prominent longitudinal muscle cells arranged in 4 quadrants, allowing for sinusoidal movement. Next, internal structure or anatomy. Pseudocoelom, a fluid-filled body cavity that provides the structural rigidity, that is hydrostatic skeleton, and transports nutrients. Next, digestive system. A straight, complete digestive tube consisting of a mouth, muscular pharynx to suck food, and intestine and anus or cloaca in males. Next, reproductive system. Highly developed female paired Y-shaped ovaries, oviduct and uteri. Male a single coil testis, vas deferens and ejaculatory duct. Next, nervous system. Comprises a circummesophageal nerve ring that is surrounding the pharynx and longitudinal nerve cords present. Excretory system. A simple H-shaped system consisting of 2 longitudinal excretory canals that opens into the excretory pore on the ventral side. Next, life cycle of the Ascaris lumbricoides. First stage, egg reproduction and releases. Adult worms live in the human small intestine, where a single female produces roughly 2 lakhs eggs per day. These eggs are passed out of the body through the feces. Next, environmental development. Eggs develop in soil into an infective state, taking 18 days to several weeks, requiring warm, moist, shaded condition. Next, ingestion or infection. Human becomes infected by swallowing food, water or soil containing embryonated eggs. Next, larval hatching and migration. Eggs hatch in the small intestine and release larvae which penetrate the intestinal walls. They travel through the blood lymphatic system to the liver and then the lungs. Lungs maturation. Larvae mature in the lungs, penetrating the alveolar walls in 10 to 14 days before moving up to throat to be swallowed. Next, adult maturations. After returning to the small intestine, the larvae mature into adults within 2 to 3 months. Adult can live for 1 to 2 years. Host. Primarily human host. Infection method, fecal or oral route. Next, habitat small intestine and lifespan 12 to 18 months for adult worms. Key pathogenic mechanism. First, larval migration in pulmonary phase. Ingested larvae hatch in the small intestine, penetrate the gut wall, and migrate to the lungs. This migration damages tissue, causing pneumonia, bleeding, cough, and high eosinophilia. That is Loeffler syndrome. Next, adult worm colonization in intestinal phase. Adults lives in the jejunum, feeding on digested food, leading to severe protein energy malnutrition, growth retardation, and vitamin A deficiency in the children. Mechanical effects. Large worm loads can cause intestinal obstruction, volvulus, or intersuspections. Next, ectopic infections. Worm can migrate into the bile duct, causing the obstruction, biliary colic, or cholecystitis. They can also enter the life, causing abscesses. Allergic or toxic effect. Metabolic products from living or dead worms act as allergens, causing fever, rashes, and asthma-like symptoms. Next, clinical manifestation. Pulmonary symptoms. Cough, dyspnea, wheezing, and blood-tinged sputum. Abdominal symptoms. Acute abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, distension, and diarrhea. Complication: appendicitis, biliary obstruction, pancreatic duct obstruction, and intestinal perforation. Transmission and diagnosis. Transmission occur through the ingestion of water or food contaminated with fecal matter containing fertilized egg. And diagnosis usually done via fecal examination for eggs or seeing adult worm in stool or during imaging studies. Now the topic has ended. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima for playlist of B.SC Zoology Honors, M.SC Zoology and class 9 to 12 Biology.